Okay, whenever you're ready, let's close our eyes and take a nice deep breath through your nose. Exhale through the mouth. Take another deep breath through the nose, allowing Hashem to breathe life through you. And exhaling everything that doesn't serve you anymore. Take another deep breath through the nose. And exhale. Continue breathing nice and gently. With every breath you take, imagine this wave of relaxation coming down, relaxing your face, relaxing your shoulders, letting them drop, relaxing your arms, going down to your fingertips, relaxing the chest, calming your stomach, going down your legs all the way to your toes. With every breath you take, imagine gravity pushing you down deeper and deeper into your chair. Just becoming aware of your surroundings, all the different noises, all the different sensations. Feel where your feet touch the ground. Feel the tingling in your arms and your hands. Where your body meets the chair. And just be aware. Aware of this present moment. The past already happened. The future has not yet come. All we have is right now. Just open yourself up to receive Hashem's light. And imagine this beautiful bright light coming down from the sky, entering your mind. Allow that light to illuminate your minds, getting brighter and brighter. Imagine your right minds, right side of your minds, Chachma, illuminating, activating, giving you holy ideas, holy thoughts. Now channel that light to your left side of the brain, activating your Bina, giving you holy insight, developing those thoughts. Imagine those two lights of your right and left brain combining together, activating Dot, opening up your third eye, giving you knowledge. Ein od mevado, there's nothing but Hashem. Just to feel your mind, your consciousness expanding, being filled with more light. And any negative thoughts in your mind just dissolves away, destroying Amalek, destroying doubts, giving you machshavot tovot, pure and holy thoughts. And visualize in your minds whatever you want to manifest. Visualize you achieving whatever you want to achieve. Seeing and believing, knowing Hashem wants to give you everything. He wants to hear your deepest desires. So visualize in your mind's eye, whatever it may be. It could be an achievement. Maybe you want to manifest more parnasa, a relationship in your life. Just sit there for a moment and visualize it. Be there, like it's already happened. With your chachma, bina, and dat, Hashem is going to help you attract this, manifest this, bring it closer to you, and make it your reality. And allow this light coming down from the sky that entered your minds. Now let it flow like a river down to your right arm, activating chesed, becoming like Avram Avinu, giving you the right tools, the right things to do. Chesed's all about unconditional love and giving. And channel this light from your right arm to your left arm, activating Gevura inside of you, becoming like Yitzhak Avinu, having strong discipline, setting holy boundaries, sticking to the plan. Combine these two lights, your right arm and your left arm, bring it to your heart. Feel your heart illuminating, getting brighter and brighter, warmer and warmer. Setting your heart on fire, giving you holy desire. And feel the klipot, those husks, those shells around your heart. Imagine they start to dissolve away, getting rid of all negative emotions that have been heavy on your heart. And feel your heart being filled with love, compassion, respect, joy, bliss, gratitude. Feel your heart expanding, growing. Activating Sephirot inside of you, becoming like Yaakov Avinu, balancing these two energies of Chesed and Gevura in perfect harmony, knowing when to give and when to say no. Being totally aligned and unified. And allow this light flow down to your right leg, activating Netzach, giving you that extra power that you need to be victorious and conquer all your goals. Becoming like Moshe Rabbeinu, giving it your all, having the confidence and know what you need to do. And channel this light to your left leg, activating a Hod within inside of you to surrender to Hashem's will, becoming like Aaron HaKohen, a man of peace, and being at ease, knowing that you did everything you can, but it's all part of Hashem's plan. You gave it your all. But Hashem knows. He knows what you need. You have to trust Him. So to surrender to what is, and channel this light down to your roots, to your Brit, activating Yesod, becoming like Yosef at Tzaddik Yesod Olam, it's the foundation of your emunah, of your faith, your trust in Hashem. No matter where you are in life, just like Yosef, he was in the dungeon all the way up to Pharaoh's throne. He believed in Hashem through and through. He trusted in HaKadosh Baruch Hu. So can you. Now imagine all this light flowing through you from the heavens above, through your minds, your arms, your heart, your legs, your roots, all the way down into the ground, activating Malchut, Hashem's kingdom, becoming like David HaMelech, creating a whole new reality, singing to Hashem in every single experience, just like David, Hashem's beloved. And feel all this light flowing through you, and don't hold it for yourself. Channel it. Be Hashem's shliach. You are His vessel. Be a Kiddush Hashem. And send this light out to all your loved ones. Send them all the blessings. To your parents, siblings, aunts, uncles, cousins, your community, your friends, all of Klal Yisrael, all around the world, to all the nations, to all of creation. If you know anyone in particular who needs a healing, needs Yeshuot in their life, some blessings, maybe it's financial, physical, emotional, mental, spiritual, whatever it may be, channel the light of the Or Ein Sof coming down and send it out wherever it needs to flow. wherever you want it to go. All you have to do is think their name, and all the light goes their way. Send the lights to our holy soldiers. Send the lights to those who are captive. Send to the light those who are suffering in hospitals, wherever they may be. Send them a complete refuah, complete healing, body, mind, and soul. And imagine this light coming down from the sky, not only going through you, but surrounding you as well, giving you this or makif, this aura, this surrounding light. And allow this light to illuminate your way, wherever you go, whatever you do, whatever you say. We walk in the ways of Hashem always. And you can turn to Him any moment of the day. Don't be afraid. He's your best friend. He'll show you the way. You can stay in this as long as you like. Whenever you want to ground and come back down, just take a nice deep breath. You can open up your eyes in your own time.